Okay, mga karida, magtatanong tayo kay Ma'am Jane, no?
Jenny.
Ma'am Jenny, kung ano ba itong dragon boat? Kasi tinanong ko siya kanina, sabi ko, ma'am, bakit hindi po kayo kasama dun sa nagpa-practice? Sabi niya, balancing pala yung timbang. So ma'am, pa-explain ako ma'am kung ano po yung anong mayroon sa dragon boat.
Sa dragon boat, you have to be synchronized pag paddle. Hindi yung kabila magsagwa na ako mahuli. Hindi pwede ganun. Dapat synchronized, is like sabay. And then at the same time, dapat balancing yung timbang. Hindi yung tambok ka or mabigat ka, tapos yung kilo ko magaan, mag-ana yung yung bangka. So kailangan, kaya hindi nila ako nilagay kay wala ako doon katimbang pa. Hindi pa, iwan ko kung saan yung katimbang ko. So lahat naman kami makapadel, pero yung balancing ang more important.
So ibig sabihin ma'am, kailangan yung yung kasamahan mo dun sa kabila dapat katimbang mo.
Katimbang mo.
So halimbawa, hindi po nagkakatugma, so kailan magre-reduce yung isa?
Exactly.
Okay.
Halimbawa, for example, I'm 60 kilo and you are 55.
55.
Either I lose my kilo to same like your kilo, or you gain the kilo same
So,
like me.
For example, ano po yung magiging advantage? Yung baba ka ng timbang o papataas ka?
I think for me, so basically, mas maganda pag mababa yung timbang mo. Kasi yung boat natin, mag-float siya.
Oo, tama.
Pag mabigat ka, na ay may posibilidad mag-sink at saka mahatagal ba hagutin yung bangka kay mabigat ba? Parang nag-towing ka ng something, marami kang nilagay, bugat ba, hilain. So, mas maganda, priority, your tin, and kaya lahat tayo dapat tin yung ating katawan. Ganon siya yung way na dapat kailangan. Tapos, balancing. Hindi pwede kang maglagay ng mabigat sa unahan kay mag-ana yung bangka mo, magyuko, mahirap lahat ng mabibigat na tao, doon yan sa engine nilalagay. Para yung bangka mo, pag ganon, para pag nagsagwan ka, fly siya.
Okay.
Ganon yung
Okay.
niya.
Ma'am, may idea po kayo kung ilan kayong competitors para bukas?
So far, ang alam ko, ang entry, we have international. And I know, so
Then
far,
different the local.
the rest is the local na. Mas
okay.
marami ata ang local ng Cagayan. Tapos the rest is from Visayas, which is Cebu. Meron tayong entry. Merong sa Siargao. Merong Camarines, I heard. So, hindi ko alam exactly kung ilan yung players na dumating.
So ilang metro po yung nyo bukas? Iko-compete?
We have a mix. Meron tayong mix category which is 200. And then we have 400 mix and then men's. And then we have also mix and then men's category for 2,000.
Okay, thank you so much. Ma'am, saan ka po sa Cagayan de Oro?
I'm actually originally born here in Cagayan de Oro.
Saan sa Cagayan? Carmen, okay.
But I moved back to Palawan when I was 6 years old. So,
I'm came from Palawan.
No, I live in Boracay,
in Boracay.
because my work is there. But originally, I born
in
here
Cagayan.
sa Carmen. And then
you
when
go
I
to-
was 6 years old, my mom moved us in
Palawan.
And then when I studied there in Palawan, everything I get my degree.
Where in Palawan?
Everywhere.
Ah,
Because
very good.
From the south to the north, from Rio Tuba to the El Nido and Coron. It's all the way. So, Boracay is only my job. It's like my work is there. So,
okay.
now my team is there. Kasi nag-live ako doon 2002. I moved Boracay 2000. So, 17 years already.
Sige po.
Something like that.
So thank you so much sa time, ma'am. Wow, very approachable si ma'am.
Yeah,
So sana lahat daw, sabi ni ma'am, lahat bukas yung mga competitors champion lahat.
Lahat champion is a 3 days activities which is come join us and witness this spectacular competition. First time ng Cagayan de Oro mag-organize ng international.
Oo, tama.
The reason is why we are in compete here to teach them how to gain the tourists around in Mindanao, because Mindanao is really nice, beautiful place. Like I see a lot green already still. Kasi sa ibang lugar wala nang green. So now I hope that itong ginawa ng Cagayan maging wellness siya, maging maayos at maayos pa nila yung organize ng katulad ng mga ganito.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Salamat. Dragon boat. Oh, good morning.
Just bro.